About symmetry, there are two major types of symmetry. The first type is refractional symmetry, which is related to mirror. And there is another type of is called rotational symmetry. And in this video, are going to focus on rotational symmetry. Whenever we say a shape is rotational symmetry, that means when we rotate it by one complete cycle, complete term, then the shape will be repeated for several times. And how many times it is repeated within one cycle is called the order of rotational symmetry, or number of flow. So, for example, a very common shape, which is about rectangle, you will put the cross to fix the position, and then we try to rotate the paper for one complete cycle. You will find that just one quarter is do not repeat. Half cycle is already repeated one times. And a complete cycle is repeated in total two times. So we say that it is rotational symmetry, and we say that the number of fold or the order is 2. Now here is a parallelogram. We keep rotate it 90 degree, half cycle, again, and we complete a complete cycle, which is one turn, then it's repeated for 2 times. So we say the order is 2 also. For a trapezium, a quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter, and 4 quarter. So basically it's just one single time. It's do not repeat it. That's why we say that this is not rotational symmetry shape, and we don't say the order because it's not rotational symmetry. For a square, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times after one complete cycle. So we say that it is rotational symmetry and the order is 4. And a little bit more example like this, but the logic are still the same. You just check, rotate the paper and see that it's repeated for how many times. This shape only repeated one time, so it is not rotational symmetry.